Hi everyone, my name is Shanshan. Today I would like to show you my portfolio. So here's my page, and here's a little bit about me. So it's more like introduce what I did before. Uh, it was like before I came to America, I was an acrobat. Because of that, I have to go travel around the world. Like I have been so many countries. I learned a lot of different cultures, and since I got here, I started teaching Mandarin, and it's been like 4 or 5 years I teach Mandarin, and I teach in like it's a studio called the Seesaw Studio. I teach in there the age of the children I teach was two to not even two, maybe 1 years old, and to like 4 or 5 years old. Here it's a little bit about my teaching philosophy. All my teaching philosophy it's more focused on the social emotional because I realize kids in here has a lot of like kids have like a social emotional problem. They don't know how to like express their emotions. So that's what I feel I want to focus on, and also that. Um, it's about like a teacher, how to be a teacher. I mean, like first for me, like if you want work as a teacher, the first thing you have to love children and love what you do. So that's my philosophy about. And here's the second page. It's about the development. So I made a little square about that or what I really like to like introduce about the development, language, physical, social, emotional, and the cognitive. So here's a little bit about language and the literacy development, what they're supposed to be, and social and emotional development, and physical development, and health, and the cognitive, including math and science. So today I would like to introduce what I observed a little girl. Her name, you can call her Mei Mei. Um, she's 26 months old. She's a little girl, and she has a little brother, and he's 4, and they love play together. And maybe just the age that she just copy everything her brother does. Here's a little observation. This is the what I did for the observation, and here is the picture shows Mei Mei what she's like playing. This is for like a physical development. She just can do everything for her age. I feel like she's like totally, yeah, knows everything, and listening is no problem. And all the time, what we were like talking is use Mandarin. So you see, here's the she's playing with the brother, and hug him. And here's like copying all the brother does. And then here it's her birthday, and then she's singing, and she's looking at the camera. She knows exactly what she should do. So here's the next page. Here's a summary about what I observed said about Meme. So more like social, emotional, and the language because she speak English and Mandarin. So I think her language was really like super developed, and the social emotional. She's definitely play with anybody who is getting close with her or not close. And then when she sees somebody is eating, she just go and grab it. That was so funny. And what I feel about her is at her age, her social, emotional, and language development was super. Here's a little bit about what I focus. Still, I just like what I want to say. I would say that I like focus on the social, emotional, but it because Mei um, so here has a little bit of language background. Here's my references. Mm, all right, this is my teaching philosophy development, observation assessment, and the summary. So thank you.